What is a neural network? Hello, friends. Today we will learn what neural networks are and how they are changing the world. Neural networks are one of the most fascinating technologies behind artificial intelligence. Let's dive into how they work and the problems they solve. A neural network is a mathematical model inspired by the biological brain, designed to solve problems by processing information through artificial neurons. Just like in the biological brain, neurons are connected to each other with specific weights. These weights are adjusted during the learning process. A neural network consists of several layers. Input layer receives data such as images, text, or numerical values. Hidden layers process this data using algorithms and weights. Output layer produces the result. For example, classification of an object or prediction. Example, a neural network for image classification. The input layer receives an image. The hidden layers analyze it, e.g., identify shapes and colors, and the output layer classifies the image as either dog. Each neuron in the network takes input data, multiplies it by weights, sums it up, and passes the result to the next layer. Neural networks are applied in various fields: image recognition, for example, face recognition systems, text processing, translation, sentiment analysis, prediction, predicting stock prices, analyzing ad clicks, medical diagnostics, helping to identify diseases from medical images. Example, how neural networks are used to diagnose cancer based on medical images, explaining how the networks analyze images to find signs of illness. Neural networks are also used in automatic text translation systems, such as Google Translate. Imagine you need to translate a sentence from one language to another. The neural network takes the sentence, analyzes its structure and context, and then translates it into another language. For example, to translate the sentence, "I have a cat," from English to Russian, the neural network understands that "I" means "ya" and "cat" means "kat," then gives the correct translation. During training, the neural network finds the best values for the weights of connections between neurons to minimize errors in predictions. The backpropagation algorithm. The network adjusts weights based on errors it made during predictions. Example, the neural network teaches itself to classify images of cats and dogs using a large set of labeled data, images, and labels. Ethical issues. Neural networks can be used for manipulative purposes, e.g., fake videos or news. Security. It's important to ensure protection from errors and misuse. The future. Neural networks will continue to evolve and be applied in new areas of business, medicine, and science. Impact on business. Neural networks and artificial intelligence, AI, are actively integrated into business processes, helping make decisions, increase productivity, and develop new products. Neural networks are the key to the future of artificial intelligence. They are already changing various industries and opening up new opportunities for business and science. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments.